Most traders lose money trying to read level 2 because of easy settings changes that they're not implementing into their Dash Trader Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy settings changes that you can implement today in order to make time of sales and level 2 easier to read for you. We're going to 1, we're going to coordinate efficiently. 2, we're going to get rid of some of that algorithmic trading noise, volume noise that's on your time of sales. And 3, I'm going to show you how to easily track the whales, the big buyers, and the big sellers on level 2. Stay to the end of the video. Number 3 is very important. This is Slater's World. When we're talking level 2, you want to easily see what the current bid is and what the current ask is. I want to know what the buyers are willing to pay, and I want to know what the sellers are willing to sell it for at any given time. Now, in order to see that efficiently, you're going to right click on some open space in your level 2. I just like to use the top box here, and we're going to go to level 2 configuration. Now, the top tier color is going to be the current price that buyers are willing to buy and the current price sellers are willing to sell for. As you can see, that my top tier color is green, and you can see that replicated over here. I have green for the buyers, green for the sellers that they're willing to sell for, and the buyers are willing to buy for. And as it goes down, the colors changes. Now, the next set of prices that buyers would be willing to buy is in red, and the next set of prices that sellers would be willing to sell for is in red, and it goes down accordingly: green, yellow, dark blue. Really, the top 2 colors are most important for me because it's easy to see what the difference is between this current price and the next price tier. Helpful settings change number 2 in Dash Trader Pro. This is pretty cool. Right click on your time of sales, and I want you to go to time of sales configuration, which can be found right here, and scroll all the way down. Once you get all the way down, you can actually filter out some of the noise. Right now I have this. You have to click this enable button, make sure the sign is greater than, it looks like it's eating this sign, and put the number of shares that you want to be seen. So right now, what you're seeing in this section here is anything lower than 499 shares or 500 shares and below, I will not see on my time of sales. So I'll only see orders or real orders. I won't see any of that algorithmic noise of 1 order, 2 order, 3 order, 4 or 5 orders. Anything less than 500 shares will not show up on my time of sales. It slows it down a little bit. It enables me to see like where the real volume is coming in order for me to make better executional decisions. Helpful settings tip number 3, which I'm very excited to share, is tracking the whale, seeing where the big buyers are at and the big sellers are at. I want you to click on the right click on the level 2 window again, go back to level 2 configuration, and then you're going to scroll down until down till right here. You see quote size highlight. Right now I have quote size highlighted at 10,000, which means any order on the buy side or the sell side that's over 10,000 shares, it's going to highlight it with a black background, and the text is going to be white. As you can see right here with this, you just have to add 2 zeros to this. That's here 25,000, 2 different 24,000 share orders. They just vanished. And that's an easy way to track the whales, where the big buyers are at, where the big sellers are at, kind of where the large spoof orders happen at too. It looks like we might have just seen one, if you could see that on level 2. But it's so important to see if you're in a trade and you're coming up against a wall. It's easy to make this settings change to see if you got to jump out quick or if you need to jump in quick. If you found this video even a little bit helpful, I would really appreciate if you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, especially if you're a viewer that's been viewing me for a long time, watching my content for a while, and you haven't subscribed yet. Hit that subscribe button. And if you have any other questions about Dash Trader Pro, the settings that you might want to adjust in your Dash Trader, let me know in the comments. I'd love to dive into it a little bit more. Until next time, stay green, and remember, this is Slater's World. See ya.